So I play Diablo for about an hour or two a day, depending on the day of the week and how bored I get or how much frustration I have. It's a good way to, go kill some stuff and release some frustration. So this is an error that I received just the other day. Playing with my buddy Gary. He's the second voice. And I may share some of our antics in game via screen capture in the near future.
So the Helltide is receded, but there are two chests. And I am standing in front of one of the chests. And here it is. I can't unlock that because I don't have any cinders because the Helltide has ended.
How the hell do I get down there? I got a legendary.
Oh,
down
the other
here.
chest disappeared. It was on the other side. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.